Imagine hiccuping non-stop for your entire life. Charles Osborne did it for 68 years. Starting in 1922 after a fall while slaughtering a hog, he developed a case of hiccups that never let up, reaching up to 40 times a minute at their worst. Doctors were baffled. Osborne tried every remedy available, from breathing into paper bags to swallowing strange concoctions, but nothing worked. He even visited over 200 physicians during his lifetime, all to no avail. Despite the constant hiccups, Osborne managed to live a surprisingly normal life. He married twice, had 8 children, and worked on a farm, learning to suppress the sounds so he could speak and eat. He became a medical curiosity, claiming the world record for the longest bout of hiccups ever recorded. Only in 1990, a year before his death, did the hiccups mysteriously stop, leaving doctors as puzzled as ever.